Ever seen a rhino with a built-in cleaning crew? Picture this massive beast covered in tiny birds. These aren't just pets. They're oxpeckers. They land on rhinos, munching on parasites. Ticks, flies, the works. Sounds like a win-win, right? But it gets weirder. Oxpeckers also eat rhino earwax. Delicious, I guess? They even squawk warnings if danger approaches. But hey, race the twist, sometimes they're not so helpful. They can open up wounds for more feasting. So, are they helpers or freeloaders? Follow for more mind-bending biology.